Your stinky ass flip flop.
Yeah, you gonna be smelling.
It's all like paint crap. Dude, you know all the numbers are like all messed up. I'm so confused. Like you can see the pool from here. It's so cool. And it's indoor too. Fancy. We're gonna go swimming. So we just got into a hotel. And this hotel's really nice. So these over here is like the bathroom and stuff. Oh, it smells like chlorine over here.
What do we all have with swimming makeup? No. We look like what I have. Dude, we should do like blindfolded makeup.
Alright, we're going swimming officially now. Alex, you going swimming? Hurry up and go change. We're about to go. It's only you and Sam we're waiting on. We're gonna go swim in the big ass pool. We're gonna have so much fun. Hopefully no one's drowned. Going swimming now. Well, there's no one in the pool, but oh my god, this is such a nice place. It was like, this is probably like the second best hotel that we've stayed at, besides the plaza. We can actually dive now, y'all. Look at me.
Dude, listen to you ate me.
Chả biết phải đánh đi bé à? Is it cold? That's no fun. So we've been swimming for 2.5 hours, I believe, and it's getting dark, as you can see, but the lights are on, so our hands are all like bleeding and stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head back soon because it's so tired. Like I could barely walk after like being in the water and floating. just got back from the pool and we're gonna change. These girls are here are getting ready to go to the party.
Hey guys, well me, Julia, Bing, and Annie were getting ready to go to the party while the other girls stay back because they don't want to go. Ooh, what's that thing in my toe? Anyways, honestly, I thought today's performance was really good. We actually did pretty good. I mean, minor mistakes, but it wasn't that bad. Anyways, I just really hope that tomorrow we we do good on that too, because those are the only ones that we kind of struggle on, which they're totally fine. We just gotta believe in ourselves and make sure we keep ourselves positive. We'll be fine. Wish us luck for tomorrow.